Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to chat about the new Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Shine lip kit. I love the Sephora Favorites kits. I think they're a great way to sample some products. If you are a makeup connoisseur like myself, it will be a great value probably, and you can try some new shades, maybe some things that will get you out of your comfort zone, or some new formulas. So let's chat about this product. Let's talk price, let's talk shades, and whether or not it's an excellent value or just so-so. So first off, the kit is $35. It comes in the little pouch. I really like the way they've designed this. In years past, I know they came in boxes, but this is so nice if you want to hang on to the pouch for a little while just to keep everything together while you're kind of perusing the shades. It's going to include a full-size Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in Pillow Talk Medium. Typically, this lipstick would be $35. So if you are a Pillow Talk Medium user and you like to have this in your purse, in your collection, it's one of your favorite shades, the kit's gonna be at value right there. It also includes 3 other full-size lip products and a couple of deluxe minis. So let's talk about those. Let me read you those shades and then I'll swatch them for you. So you're gonna get the Givenchy Rose Perfecto Lip Balm 24-hour hydration in shade 001 Pink. That's gonna be a deluxe mini. Then the Laneige full-size lip glowy balm in berry. That's gonna be a full size. Typically that product would be about $16. Then you'll get the Nars Power Matte lipstick in a deluxe mini in the shade Dragon Girl. Then you're gonna get the One Size Beauty Lip Snatcher Precision Lip Filler Pencil in the shade Out of Line, and that is a full size as well. And lastly, what I have on my lips today, you know my love for the Tower 28 lip glosses. You're gonna get a full-size Tower 28 lip gloss in the shade Sesame. So let's swatch some of these shades. Let me show you them on my hand and I'll show you them on my lips. First off, we've got the Tower 28 gloss in Sesame. This is a gorgeous kind of mauve with a deeper tone to it. I really liked that in this kit, they did a lot of fall shades. Considering it's coming out late summer, I think they had their eye towards fall. These are very wearable shades, definitely shades you could transition into fall, but I think they would look just amazing in the fall. So there's that Tower 28 in Sesame. Love these glosses, love that this is a full size, and typically this would be $16. So put that out there for the full size as well. Then we'll swatch the Pillow Talk Medium. I love this shade. I think this is an excellent lipstick. I am 2-in-1 in Estee Lauder Double Wear if you want to know my skin tone to kind of shade range it. And this is a deeper, kind of got a toffee to it. Definitely a deeper nude, but I can still wear this on a date night and it looks amazing with any eye look. Love that shade, love it for fall. Perfect for a lot of different looks, and you can wear it if you have a lighter skin tone or a deeper skin tone. I think it's a great shade, and it is a full size. Next, we'll swatch the One Size Beauty Lip Snatcher in the shade Out of Line. I have actually never tried one of these One Size Beauty lip liners, and wow, is it creamy. It's again gonna match those shades really well. This would make an amazing lip look, these 3 together, I think. This is so creamy of a pencil though that you can line your entire fill in your lips and line your lips with this product. I think this is a great product, and again, it's full size. Next, we're gonna talk about the final full-size product. I love the Laneige lip balms. I keep one in my bedside table, and I love the squeeze tube ones as well. This is in the shade Berry. Now, keep in mind, this is a pretty clear looking product. It might have a slight pink tinge once it's on your lips, and I'm swatching pretty heavy to get that to even show up as pink, but these are such a comfortable lip balm. If you are somebody that struggles with dry lips, or you're somebody that you like to prep your lips before wearing a matte lip, I think this is an excellent product to put on overnight or to put on putting on a matte lip. Now we're down to our final couple of deluxe minis, the Givenchy Rose Perfecto Lip Balm. I was really impressed that they actually kept this in the similar container to what the full-size lipstick would be. It feels very luxurious, and I have never tried this lip balm. It is kind of a salmon type of pink in the tube, but it is a very clear balm. When I swatch it on my hand, you're not going to be able to tell much, but it almost has the type of quality on the lips that a pH adjusting lip balm would be, and it changes to a deeper pink depending on the warmth of your lips. So for me, this did turn quite bright pink. I would typically not wear this product with a full coverage makeup look because it doesn't disguise any lip lines. It's not very full pigment. It is a true balm, but it has a brighter tint to it. It's comfortable on the lips if you don't mind a bit of tingling. For me, this would be a pass in the full size, but I'm thankful to try it. It feels very luxurious in the packaging, and it's a fun one in the lip kit. The last product, I am so surprised, but I loved this. This is the Nars Power Matte Lipstick in the shade Dragon Girl. Look at that tube. Isn't that beautiful? That hot red color. And as predicted, it's a beautiful classic red. And wow, is this matte comfortable on the lips. For me, as someone that has pretty liney lips, I am picky about my mattes. They tend to get in crevices in between my lip lines and just feel overall dry. This is so super comfortable. And the red is gorgeous. I think this can take you into holiday time. It's such a classic color. So it comes down to, is this kit worth it? I think value-wise, it's definitely worth it. I think if you want to try some different shades, wow, there are a lot of different lip looks you can get out of this kit. If you're someone that you're looking for a new lipstick shade, I think you can find it within this kit. Or if you are a makeup connoisseur and you just enjoy lip products, this is a great value. The $35 price tag you're paid for with the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick alone. So I have to say this is a really good kit. It includes a couple of luxury items and a few things that I feel like for me are necessities in my collection that I would replenish anyway, such as the Laneige lip balm, a nice Tower 28 gloss. Whenever I run out of one of these, I usually look for a different color, and I love this one. I think it's gonna be amazing for fall. Overall, I'm really impressed with this. If you can pick this up, I would highly recommend it. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Let me know down below if you've tried any of these lip shades and what your favorites are. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you'll subscribe for more beauty content and like this video if you want to see more.